Okay, so the next question is how to insert an external reference in TurboCAD. So let's switch back to TurboCAD. I'm just going to go back to model space and I'm going to come up here and say insert external reference. So now you need to find the file. It doesn't matter what drawing it is. It'll probably be DWG or something like that. Any one of these. Let's just choose that one as the external reference. And so, okay, that's the external reference. How do I want to do? Treat it, attach or overlay, and insert at current location. If you don't have that option, it'll allow you to actually click. Uh, why didn't that work? Let's try that again. Insert, create external reference. Do we have any blocks? Let's just look at our blocks palette here. Close. And that is our external reference. If we have a look at that, we can see it's a block insertion over there, which is actually an external reference. It's treated exactly like an external reference. Let's use another example. Insert, um, create an external reference. Yeah, so we'll use this external, just a TCW file. I'll just say open. It says where do you want to put it, and it's this one is going to be a different drawing, and it says okay, where do you want to put it, and you basically have to didn't seem to put it anywhere, but there it is in this X reference file. I think what I have to do, you see, I can just drag it in there, but now once it's part of this X reference, you see, I can look at this as the selection info palette, and when you can see it selected over there, then there is ways of automatically updating that. So I can select this element. If we go into blocks here, you see I can right click over here. Um, External references. Okay, now we can see that that's an external reference. So we had to click that thing under external references. And here you can see the different external references. So in this case, I can open that drawing and work with it as a standalone drawing. So for example, I could make all of those a solid fill or something like that. And then I can shut the drawing down and save it, yes. And then I can come here and I can right click and I can say reload, and it gets updated in the drawing itself, just like a regular X reference. And so then that you can see it points there. Be careful with working with X references because they're treated as blocks. So if you you can just simply change the block definition over there and it'll quickly just change it. Still treats it as an XREF, but be careful of that. But that's basically how you do those X references, and you work with them with blocks. You can select them and you make sure that that's on and off so that you can reload them when needed.